Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. Update iOS and accept any carrier updates so the hotspot stack is current. Once done, make sure cellular data and personal hotspot are on and visible. Next, forget the hotspot on the client device and reconnect using the exact Wi-Fi password. This clears cached settings that often cause drops. Do this now, don't skip it, because many disconnects are caused by mismatched credentials or stale network profiles that reconnect incorrectly. Once reconnected, adjust deeper settings to stabilize the link. Enable Maximize Compatibility to Force 2, 4 GHz on phones that support it, since 5 GHz can drop with distance or interference. Make sure low power mode is off and auto lock is extended so the phone doesn't sleep and drop clients. If Wi-Fi still fluctuates, switch to USB tethering for the most reliable connection, or Bluetooth when you need lower power. Each method removes Wi-Fi variables that cause disconnects. To finish, reboot the iPhone and the client device so temporary networking processes restart cleanly. If problems persist, reset network settings on the iPhone. This removes old profiles and often fixes stubborn drops. Then reconfigure the hotspot and reconnect. As a last resort troubleshooting tip, test USB tethering. If USB works while Wi-Fi fails, the issue is the wireless stack or interference, not your carrier. If nothing helps, contact your carrier with these test results for targeted support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.